Hello guys and welcome to Technical Rocker. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a burglar alarm with LDR and an LED, or you can use laser light, but I'm just showing this on this breadboard. So I'm going to use this LED over here that I'm using in front of you. I'm using an LED. So if you just want to just make this and show your friends or do some kind of like project it like you or something like me, that you just want to make something and just use it for a little bit and just break it. So it's a really cool thing. Let me show you how it works. So this is how it works. So wait a second, let me have something over here, or not this tape. This will be like blackish. I don't need black stuff that much. It works at every kind of stuff. Just the light should not pass to the LDR. That's the only stuff that I have here. I think the black tape would be great. I think I would be. I'm not having anything else to be used over here, or my finger, or this paper I'm having over here. So whenever you just come something between the LDR and the LED, it starts doing this, which is really annoying. And yeah, it's really simple, and it's the same thing that you just did for the last project I did on this channel, the one which is called the night lamp, or you can say the dark sensor from the LDR. So it's pretty much the same thing, but we are using light buzzer instead of light. Otherwise everything's same, and we are just having these something extra stuff, or you can use laser. I'm not having laser right now, so I'm using this thing. Otherwise I would have shown you. So you can make it really quick. Let me give you what things that you need. You need like these resistors. This is 220 ohms resistor, which means I'm having 100, 120 and 20, which is in series, so it means it's 220. If you're having 220, you don't need to just make this kind of stuff. You just have to place one. I just finished up all my 220 ohms resistors, so sorry for that, but still it looks cool. At least it looks complex. Yep, I love complex stuff. It's not complex. If you just place only one 220 volts ohms of resistor, and you just connect this wire to over here with 220 ohms, that'll be really cool. This is for the LED protection. If you're having an LED which is works with 9 volt as well, you don't need anything like this that I'm just doing. I'm just great. Yeah. So let's get started, and let me tell you what things that you need to make this project. Focus a little bit and we'll start the video. So it's really simple. You don't have to need really much stuff, as I already shown you the material required. So you would first need an transistor, which is BC507 over here. So the left hand side, the right hand side is the emitter, the between one is the base, and the left hand side one is the collector. So let me place it over here, just like that, or I'll just place it over here. I'll just place it over here, just like that. It's on you. It's on you. That where you want to play. If you want to place it over here, if you want to place it over here, I'm just going to place it anywhere, just like that. It's on you. Now you just need. I just will shout it a little bit. Sorry for that. I just made it really. If I really shouted, then I'm really sorry for that. If I didn't, then also I'm not sorry for that, but I'm sorry for not saying sorry for that, for saying sorry for that. Now you would need to have a 100 ohm resistor, and you would have to just place it with the base of the transistor. As I have already told you, the middle one is the base, like this, to anywhere on this board, just like that, just like that. Now you would need the buzzer. The positive part goes with this part of the resistor, which is 100 ohm resistor. Let me focus. So the positive part of the buzzer goes with this, and the negative part goes with the collector. So we'll just use the connecting wire after that to just make it be like that. Now going to connect it like this. So the negative part is landing somewhere over here and the positive part is over here with the resistor. Wait a second, oh my goodness, why did I do that? You know, the breadboard, my breadboard is not like really good. I would like to rate it 1 out of 5. It doesn't really work well. Okay, done. So over here I'm just gonna take a connecting wire, which is not really a connecting wire that I'm having. I'm just using a normal wire. No, I'm just saying this much. I shouldn't be telling you guys. It's connecting wire. You didn't listen to anything. It's connecting wire. It's connecting wire. Sorry. It's connecting wire. See? It's connecting wire. It's connecting something. Yeah. It's still not working. I'm gonna cut this part out of this video. I think so. I would. Okay, sometime. Yes. No, I think it will connect. It will connect. It will connect. If it will connect, I'll just make it get to the video. Yes, it connected. So guys, that's how you connect it. I'm so professional that I did it in one try. As you can see, I'm just doing it for a long time. Yeah. Now just connect it to the collector. Okay, I think this one should be going inside. Why do I have to do this? This is a connecting wire, but just threaded. I don't know why. The wire is really branded. It's expensive. You won't be able to get it. It's only from here, which is really branded. You know, it's branded. So branded stuff doesn't come easy. The non-branded, that is the connecting wires that you buy from Amazon or something, that doesn't work. See, this works really well. See, connected with the collector. The negative part of the buzzer is connecting with the collector. Now it's very simple. Just take the LDR. Now the time for the real professionalism. I'm gonna place it in one go. 1, 2, 3, and really, I just bended the LDR a little bit. So now the professionalism comes over here. 1, 2, 3, and get inside. Yay! I really did it in one try. I really didn't try that much. Really, I'm joking, right? Okay. So over here, just you have connected the emitter part and the base part with the help of LDR. As you can see how it's connected. So the emitter and the base part is connected with the help of emitter. Now you would need a connecting wire. One more connecting wire, yeah, this is the connecting wire. Oh, stupid. Just place it first over here, which is I'm just showing the wrong part. So connected with the resistor over here and make it come all over here. Put it over here. Hey, go inside, stupid. Hey, you stupid dumb. Get inside. You won't work if I just do that. Stop it. Okay, so as you can see, I just did it in one try. I'm just really professional. Yeah, you can learn these tricks from me. So the LED, this front part is the positive, the back part is the negative, as you can see. Now I would place 220 ohms resistor, which I'm not having, so I'm just gonna place 200 ohm resistor and I'm like 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10, which is these are resistors, which I'm gonna use it to make a 220 ohms resistor because I'm not having one. And that's really cool. At least it looks complex, and I like complex stuff, right? Yeah. I mean, so like this, as you can see, just like that. If you're having 220 ohm, just place it over here like that. And now you need last connecting wire. So I really don't like connecting wires because these are branded, so I like using these. Otherwise I'm having the real one. I mean the local ones as well. I think so. I am having one or not. If I'm not having that, sorry for that. These are normal wires. I will not cut any part of this video. Yeah. Sorry. I'm really sorry. Hey, get inside, you stupid wire. I'm not having connecting wire. Sorry, the budget problem. Budget problem. I'll buy one if you're just having really difficulty. I'm like, if you think that I'm having difficulty, I know I'm professional, you know. Yeah. In reality, I'm just using this board for like I never used it before. So just connect the resistor with the positive resistor and this LED positive part. That's why I just make it connection. So you have here just done the connection with me. You are a really good person. So now connect this all over here, and your super cool working project is done. Yes! Oh really? I didn't think it would work in first try. Where's the paper or the tape? I haven't got tape. So it's simple. As you can see, it's really simple. Yeah, it's simple. Yeah, I think so. It's simple. That's how the circuitry is done. Hey, why my camera doesn't focus every time? So that's how it's done. Come ahead if you want to see. This is where the positive part goes with the buzzer's positive part and the resistor and the positive part of the LED, which is connected with the collector wire. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. We'll meet you after 2 to 3 days and signing off. I think that's how YouTubers say signing off. The camera's not closing. Okay, there's some glitch. The camera's not closing. That's why. So that's it, and I just broke the circuit. I think this will be the thumbnail. I think this will be the thumbnail. Yeah, I can make this as thumbnail. Let me click a photo. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like my video, and don't forget to comment below if you just want to see something more and if you just want to know something from me. Thank you guys. Bye bye.